Hello my fellow traders, what's going on? So I've been tracking the S&P 500 and man, what a week the markets have, you know. But anyways, back to Forex. I have been this is my first week trading my half of my account. I was trading with just $100 just to test out my system and tweaking a little bit of some of my stuff. And this February, at the start of February, was my first month starting off with half my capital. I thought about doing the full amount, but I think I'll do that in March. I'll put in the remaining half in March. So I'm trading with 2,500 at the moment. Anyways, if you guys have followed the previous videos, I basically trade insight candles, and it's candles like these. You know, you enter when it's totally engulfed within the previous candle, and it's kind of like a bullish harami slash and you enter above the high. But I've refined it to trading off the 15-minute chart. So when I see an insight candle and I look at the setup of the on the 15-minute chart, I'll get a good entry. And I tested it out. I tried doing 1-to-1, 1-to-2 risk to reward ratios. Like, if you were to trade this, you want to at least make 2 times or whatever. But I found out that I didn't quite like trading 1-to-2 because the reasoning would be that, okay, it's good that for certain types of trades you try to go for, you risk 1%, you try to make 2%, but for the most part, the higher your target is, the less accurate you are. So there's trade-off between trading 1-to-2, 1-to-3, 1-to-1. If you trade 1-to-3, the chances of you hitting 3 times your reward is not as high as opposed to trading 1-to-1, right? It's if you hit, it's easier to hit singles than doubles. But I also know traders that do really well with 1-to-1, 1-to-2, or 1-to-3. So I think it really comes down to preference of how much you want to make off each trade, and there's always a trade-off when you go for bigger rewards, which means you have a lower accuracy, but your reward, your profits will be way bigger than your losses, right? So I decided to go with risk 1% to make 0.75%. I know it's like odd because you're making less than what you're supposed to be risking, but so far when I tested out the system, it's been pretty good. So I'm just gonna show you the 3 trades that I made this week, starting off Monday. We were in last week. We were in a big uptrend, and now we kind of fall into this flag. I was actually watching it and doing a little bit of analyzing it. I wasn't making trades until Monday on this candle on the break of this flag. Well, when I didn't know here, this looked like a flag to me, so I took the downside, and I caught pretty much. I think I took profits here. Hold on a sec. I think right here, yeah. So the green circle is profit taking, and the red ones are stop loss. So you get stopped out or you take a profit. So my winners are 0.75%, and my losers are -1%. So basically, I risked according to the average 2 range, which is 11 pips or 10 pips. So I risked 10 pips to make 7.5 pips. So I got it on this candle, but barely. I think I got filled right here and went maybe 2-3 more pips, and it reversed fast too. So that's my first trade, and then go here. I didn't take that trade. I don't know why. Maybe I was just due to fear or something like that. I need to be more consistent when it comes to pulling the trigger. And here, let's go to the next trade. My next trade is right here. Too many lines for most people, so I'm going to take them off. At first I was noticing this resistance, and I wasn't quite sure it would be a resistance for most traders, and until I saw this. where it went right up there, touched it, come back, consolidate it on the next candle, and then make a break. That's where I took the next trade. I wasn't expecting such big of a pop, and my risk was, I think, 10 pips. Yeah, the previous 9 pips. Sorry, I was only looking for 6.8 pips. So I got it. I can't see. Right there. So I caught most of the move. Actually, I could have done 1-to-1, and if I did 1-to-1, this wouldn't have become a winner. This would be a loser because it wouldn't hit 1-to-1. This would be a winner 1-to-1, so it will break even, I guess. And the last trade, actually, I wanted to put on the third trade. Let me show you real quick on the last one. So basically, I play breakouts pretty much, and I use the hourly charts to confirm how I want to play, to the upside or the downside. So on hourly charts, you will see, like, I think that trade, yeah, this was the trade. Okay, you see consolidation, right? Inside candles, right? Starting to make a move, breaks the low here. That's where I pay attention to it. So that's my third trade here. You can see. Let me draw a line. That's time level. Right, I shorted. I think I got in. Here, let me zoom in real quick so you can see. See this? I got in right here, and then I got my profit. So it actually went about 2 times what I risked before it pulled back, and then before it actually went up and hit my stop loss if I didn't take my profits. So apparently most of my moves they go about maybe about 1-to-1 before it starts going against me, or at least going back to where my entry was, and then sometimes it will stop me out. But for the most part, when I enter a trade, most of the trades will go at most 2 times or 2.5 times, and it will reverse. So I'm still trying to find the right ratio. Like maybe 1-to-1 might be ideal too, but I'll stick with 0.75% versus risking 1% until I look at the result and I'll get more feedback on this type of system. It's a little different from your conventional 1-to-1 risk to reward ratios, 2-to-1, 3-to-1. So these are my 3 trades. I actually wanted to enter one of them previously, like right here. Just drawing off here. Let me show you on Thinkorswim. It's a little clearer. Oops. Draw a line down. Hold on, I forgot where it was. Oh, sorry, it's not this. Where was the trade? Yeah, this one. Right there. I think I put my order in like 5 seconds late. 5 seconds. So I took it off because I saw it ran all the way up. But you know what? That's pretty lucky. If I kept my order in there, I probably would have gotten stopped out, because you can see I put in the order, I didn't get filled, and then I canceled it. So I would have gotten stopped out here somewhere. But either way, that was pretty lucky. So I should only be up 2% for the week instead of 2.25%. So it's been a pretty good week for me. So next week I hope to see more consistency in my trading and being able to pull the trigger when the situation arises. So that's where my trading's at, and I'll update you guys soon. Alright, take care.